Hello viewers, welcome back to this video series. In this video I will show how to use my extension with SQL query function. You can see the blocks. If you want to read the documentation, you can come to this web page. Here I have explained how that works. If you don't have this extension, you can purchase this extension from me. I will give the link into the description, and for testing purpose I will use this data. This extension available with different prices. Now let me design the UI. I will use this text box to apply the SQL rules. You can apply SQL rules any other way. You can apply from your database, or you can use join text blocks to merge rules. If you are very new viewers, so I will request you to subscribe my channel and like the video. I will upload more videos about these extensions into my channel and my any others extension. So subscribe and connect it with me, and I will use this button to run the query on button click. You can visit my extension store to see my all of available extensions. Some are paid and some are free. I will regularly upload new videos about my new extension, and if you have any issue you can comment here or comment to the community topics. I will try to give you the best solution. Here I will show two list view. So let me drag them. I will show list view in vertical scroll arrangement. I will select two columns, so let me delete one vertical scroll arrangement. I am changing the background color of the list view for better understanding the list items during testing. Let me change the color again, and also for this one. Now need to drag the list view component. I am designing the UI only for testing purpose. You can design the UI for your own need. And I will change the font size for list item. Follow the extension traffic from the community or my GitHub repository to get the latest update version. Now the UI section is complete. Now I will set up the log section to run the query operation. I will take the SQL query rules from the text box, and I will show the list view data when query success. Now let me drag the function and set the SQL rules as the text box text. The query success event provide you the values in list view format. It's nested list view, list into list, or the response input. The variable response provide you data in CSV format. So I am using here the values input variable. It's provide you the nested list view, so I have to take the list from into the list. So I will select to column, and that's why it will return 2 columns. So 2 list. So I am taking the list from the nested list, and I will use the failed event to determine what is the error. The error message will show you the reason, error reason, actual reason. So in the first video of this playlist, you should learn how to set up the credential. I am using this sheet ID in this video. Now let's test the application. Let me scan the code first. Now it's connected. Here is the data, and I will select these two column A and B, and use condition in column C. So I will enter the rules here. Select A and B where C is greater than 1000. So it will return that values from the column A and column B where C is greater than 1000. Now it will show you the result. Here you can see all results are came. If you don't want the column name in the first, then you can turn off the headers. Now it will not show you the column names. Let's try again. And you can see the name and position column names gone from the list. Let me change the list components background for understanding the list in better way. Now recheck the output. If you don't set any rules, it will return all of values. Here I have selected two columns, and I was selected two columns. Now I will select three columns as the return value and apply condition in one column. For better determined, I have to set the list component as empty when button clicked. So it will create an empty list view. When I will click in button, and you can see I am selecting three columns A, B, D, and apply condition in column C. So it will return three columns, but here I am showing only two columns. I will show the last column in the variable output. Let me rename it. And let me copy the values here. Now re-enter. Now retry. And I will use this variable to show you the output. And the variable comes up, and let's check the length of the list. It should return 2 because I have selected three columns as a return value, column A, B, and D. I have selected three columns A, B, D, so it should return length of the list 3 because it's a nested list, parent list. And if I select two values, two columns A and B, it should return length of the list 2. Now recheck the length of the list, and you can see it's 2. And if I again true the headers, set true on the headers input, it will return with the headers name, I mean the column names, and you can see name and position top of the list. Name and position you can see. And then if you set false here, then the headers name will be gone from the list. So using SQL query operation, you can make your searching operation very easy when you have a large data. And you can apply multiple condition here. You can see I am applying condition in column E. When column E is smaller than 60,000, and you can see all of data where the condition is true. Condition false in this row. Also condition true from these rows. You can apply any condition into this SQL query, and it will return that values where the condition is true. So it's very easy to use. And let me modify the values. I will show you one more condition before the video end. Where I will return that values where C equal to 2000, and you can see values. Only that values are came where condition is true. So if you liked the video, so please subscribe the channel, and if you have any issue with my extension, please comment here, and you can write the function name where you have issue. I will record a new video about that function. Thanks for watching the full videos. I will upload more videos soon as possible. So here I am signing out. Thank you again.